Crystal Ball. Narrated by 𝐄𝐀𝐒𝐘. Long ago, in a faraway place, there lived a boy named 𝐸𝑑𝑢. One day, while playing, he found a crystal ball near a tree. When he was about to return home with the crystal ball, the tree said, "Little boy, this is a magic crystal ball. It will grant you any wish, but you should not be greedy." He ran home and thought about his wishes. He thought for many hours, but could not think of any. So, he kept the crystal ball in the bag and waited until he could decide. Days went by, but he couldn't think of anything. One day, 𝐸𝑑𝑢's friends stole the crystal ball. They took it to a wise old man. The old man told them about its powers, but he was not aware that greedy wishes would not be granted. So all of them began to make wishes. They wished for money, gold, and all kinds of things, but it did not work. They became angry and went to ask 𝐸𝑑𝑢 about it. 𝐸𝑑𝑢 told his friends that they were greedy, and that's why the crystal ball didn't grant their wishes. 𝐸𝑑𝑢 watched his friends fight with each other. 𝐸𝑑𝑢 wished for things to return to normal, and his wish was granted. Everything became as it was before. 𝐸𝑑𝑢 and his friends were happy again. They valued their friendship more than ever.
Get a membership of Educare Skill today and make your little ones learn Dzongkha like never before.